body. That's just not me. I'm just gonna give y'all me, and if you like it, if you fuck with it, you fuck with it. If you don't, that's fine. I don't care. Thanks for the view. Let's just get into the video. Let's just do it. Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Well, today is Kaylia, yours truly, your fave. Today I am reviewing this Asteria's hair, and I'm just going to like talk to y'all and give y'all an update while I do my makeup, because I do have a date, y'all. Look, it's a lot to unpack, okay? I have a lot I want to talk about, and this is not planned in any sense. It's kind of just me, like, if I feel like if something pulls me there, I'm just gonna kind of just accept it. I like real things. I like feeling like we're having a conversation instead of me, hi, my name is so and so and blah blah blah, welcome to my video. Like real, just robotic. That's just not me. Anyway, this is the Asteria's hair. I think it is in deep wave or it's curly. You know, I'm gonna have the specs below because I've had this hair for a long time, and I'm gonna insert some videos when me and my sister, we went to Puerto Rico to celebrate her oh my gosh, y'all, what is wrong with me? We celebrated her graduation. She graduated from college. She graduated from ISU. She got her bachelor's. I am so proud of her. But I'm brushing the wave, the curls, waves, whatever you want to call this. I think it's like a mix in between. I'm brushing it out because I truthfully like how it looks like this, because it looks really natural. It looks like it could be my hair. Like, this is how my hair looks when it's blown out. Y'all, I believe this hair is 22 inches. Let me stand up. I have the elastic band on because this side of my head, the elastic band was lifting. Or not the, y'all, not the elastic band. My lace was like this in the wind. Like, I can't. Now, what if my date would have seen that? Fenty Skin, right? Yeah, Fenty Skin. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte. And I'm just using a brush. Look, I'll let y'all know all the information after, because I'm not about to get into specifics on here because I have things I need to say. Like I mentioned before, I am going on a date today, but let me tell y'all how, you know, much of a mess my dating life has been. Like, I just feel like dating in 2021 and actually 2020 as well. I just feel like I've been single for a while, so dating to me is like, it's not fun. I don't want to do it. I don't like it. But you know what? I think to myself, dang, well, if I want to get married one day and I want to like be somebody's wife, I always envision myself as somebody's wife. If I want to be somebody's wife, then maybe I should start like actively dating people I'm at least semi-interested in, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm opening myself up more. But you know what? Somebody gave me a new perspective. I believe it was on Twitter. They were saying, no, it was on Facebook. This girl, she said, this guy, he was like, dang, I haven't been in a relationship in years and I'm just ready for a relationship. He was like, I haven't been in a relationship in like 5 years. And this girl, she commented and she was like, well, it's better to be single for 5 years than waste 5 years of your time with someone who was not even worth anything, like who you weren't going anywhere with. So that perspective really opened my eyes. It made me, you know, be more I guess to take my situation differently, like to think differently on how I viewed being single in 2021, 2020. Like, it just completely altered how I thought about stuff with me. But dating in 2020 2020 and 2021 is like so freaking nerve-wracking, scary. I just feel like everybody has some type of ulterior motive. It's just too much. Like I just feel like it's a setup. Everything is always a setup to me. I'm just like, this something ain't right here. Recently, I've been talking to a few people. I'm probably gonna, never mind, because you know things always change. I'm not even gonna go too much in detail about it. But also I wanted to talk about not knowing what to post on here sometimes. Like yes, this is me and my sister's YouTube channel, and I am so grateful of people actually subscribing. You know, we have 200 right now. We have 247, I believe, subscribers, and we don't even post often. And I told my sister, I'm like, look, we need to start being more active on here, because and this is the NARS, by the way, and I put the bright one under my eye because I don't know, maybe it's all in my head, but I just feel like I have dark circles under my eyes. So I just feel like this brightens it up a little bit, lightens it up for me. The same one that I use for the tip of my eyebrow, then I mix it basically with the Fenty Skin concealer. I was telling my sister we need to start being more active on here because we have a pretty decent subscriber count. Like, we need to start being a lot more active on here and posting as much as we can. Like, I vlogged Puerto Rico, but I just feel like it was me just vlogging. I don't like when it's just like one dimensional, really. But I love how versatile it is. So you can have it like this, or you can have it like this. For it to dry a little bit, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all. And I'm probably gonna come back and show y'all some of the outfits I have, because I have a date today, and I'll probably let y'all know how that goes. Y'all know how dating in 2021 goes. It's always a story. Always a story. So stay tuned for that. Also, I'll give you a little background on the date. We're gonna call him Mr. Grandpa, because this man is 35 or 36, and he has 2 kids, and his 2 kids are 6 years younger than me. Yeah, y'all. And I'm 24, by the way. I'm 24. For reference. I'm fresh 24. Meaning I was 23 in January, and I turned 24 in January. You feel me? Like, I'm fresh 24 this year. But I'll let y'all know how it go, and I'm gonna show y'all how this hair looks when it's a little dry. I'm probably show y'all some of the outfits I'm thinking about wearing, and tell me which one y'all like the best. I may or may not let y'all know which one I'm wearing, because I'm really indecisive. I might tell y'all I'm wearing one and I don't wear that one at all. So 1 second. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Be on the lookout for another review by either myself or my sister, whichever one comes first. But I'm gonna try to be a little bit more active on here. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of y'all, truly, honestly. Be blessed, be safe. See you in the next one.